Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to play Pokémon Let's Go Pikachu in GBA Lite. First, ensure you have the GBA Lite app installed on your device. Next, you'll need to acquire the Pokémon Let's Go Pikachu ROM file. Once you have both, open the emulator and navigate to the folder where your ROM is stored. The app will usually scan for games automatically, making it easy to find and start your adventure quickly. To begin, you'll need to download the Pokémon Let's Go Pikachu ROM. Make sure you're getting it from a reliable source to avoid issues. Once downloaded, verify that the file is in a format that GBA Lite can read, typically a GBA file. Then, transfer this game file to a folder on your device that's easy to locate, perhaps a dedicated games folder. This organization helps the emulator find your game quickly. Now, let's fine-tune GBA Lite for the best experience. Open the emulator and head into its settings menu. Here, you can adjust various options like video resolution and audio quality to suit your device. Most importantly, take some time to map your controls. You can assign buttons to your liking, ensuring comfortable and responsive gameplay as you explore the Kanto region with Pikachu. With everything set up, it's time to launch Pokémon Let's Go Pikachu. Simply select the game from your list within GBA Lite, and your adventure will begin. Enjoy exploring the Kanto region, catching Pokémon, and battling trainers. For an even more immersive experience, consider enhancing your setup. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to elevate your gaming space.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.